So I've been wanting to do a video where I simply record myself driving in the snow. It hasn't been very snowy in Minnesota, surprisingly. The last time it snowed, I do have a video for that, but it wasn't really dramatic enough to make a big deal about it. So in this video, there was a blizzard the night before. I decided to take the Lexus ISF out, see how it performed. The video quality is a little crappy because obviously there's going to be slush and stuff all over the car still, and then the camera angle was a little off, but you could still see the road, you could still see how it performs. And yeah, it's a great way to see how it performs as a daily driver, especially in Minnesota winters and Iowa winters. Once I leave the residential area, it does look really clear, but realistically it's super icy. I didn't go too incredibly fast, I didn't accelerate. I did a bit on turns and stuff just to have a little bit of fun, but so long as you're smart about the way you drive, so long as you anticipate snow and slush and stuff, like for example, I took it to the city and it performed great even on crappy roads. Didn't get stuck. In fact, my F-150, which most people would trust a little bit too much, it did great. So yeah, I would say if you're thinking about getting a Lexus ISF in a snowy area as a daily driver and don't want to deal with a second bill for insurance, that type of stuff, I was concerned about that. Yeah, by all means, get a Lexus ISF. So long as you're responsible. And I would say I haven't really tried it on like super hilly areas. So if you live on hilly areas, that might be questionable too. But if you think about it, everybody back in the 70s through the 90s had to deal with rear-wheel drive cars. Not a lot of people could afford all-wheel drive Audis, things like that. So rear-wheel drive cars, front-wheel drive to an extent, but again, like not everybody was rich, so not everybody could immediately run for the front-wheel drive car. So yeah, I mean, think about that. Put the right snow tires on, put the right winter tires on. Just depends how snowy and icy it gets in your area. It's going to depend on what you need.